Hello everyone! Today I will demonstrate how to use the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor on the web. Specifically, how to upload a background image, subtitles, and a logo. First, click the background settings button, and then click Add button. Next, open the photo you want to use. You can choose from 3 display modes: stretch, keep aspect ratio, or tile. Once you have made your choice, click OK, and the background will upload. After uploading, you can use the menu in the lower right corner to choose a fit or delete it. Click the button to enable. Tips: a single background image must not exceed 50 megabytes. To see the effect, simply drag your signal source onto the screen. Tips: the background doesn't occupy a layer. Next, open the right-hand toolbar and click OSD. Here, you can choose to add either text or image. Click Add, and once the subtitle appears, rename it and edit its content and style, selecting font, font size, character spacing, font color, and so on. Below, choose the scrolling direction, speed, position, and size. For example, select horizontal, then use the slider to adjust direction and speed. Click OK. Then enable subtitle. You will see it appear on screen. To tweak it further, select the subtitle and use the top toolbar to quickly change direction, speed, or open the subtitle settings again. Now let's add a signal logo. Go to Input Configuration. Select the signal source you want. Then click Logo. In the right-hand toolbar, type your logo text. You can then adjust font, size, character spacing, font color, background color, bold, or italic, and alignment left, center right, or justify. You can also move and resize it. Once everything looks right, click Save. Then enable your text logo will appear at the top left of the window. Finally, to add an image logo, click Image Logo. Then Add Image. Select and open your logo file. You can adjust its opacity and position. Then click Save and Enable. Your image logo will also appear at the top left, and that is it. Background, subtitles, and logos all set up. Thanks for your watching.